In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Asana, the simple way. If you're an Asana user, you know how satisfying it is to check off tasks as completed. But sometimes those completed tasks can clutter your view, making it hard to focus on what still needs to be done. In just a few easy steps, I'll show you how to filter them out, helping you manage your projects more efficiently. First, you'll need to head over to Asana. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Asana website, or simply clicking on your bookmarked link if you have it saved. Once you've landed on the Asana homepage, it's time to log in. Go ahead and enter your email address, make sure it's the one associated with your Asana account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. Make sure you have it handy, especially if it's been a while since you last logged in. Once you've filled in your password, click Login to access your account. You should now be directed to your Asana homepage where you can see all the projects you're working on. Next, locate the project that you wish to work with and click on it. This will bring up the list of tasks within that specific project. Before we hide the completed tasks, ensure you have marked any tasks that are complete. This will make the filtering process more accurate. If a task is completed, check it off, so it's categorized correctly within Asana. Once you have your completed tasks marked, you're ready to filter them out. Look for the filter option, which is usually at the top of your task list in Asana. Clicking on this will give you several different options to choose from. The option you're interested in is incomplete tasks. Select this and Asana will automatically filter out any tasks that have been marked as complete. With the incomplete tasks filter applied, all completed tasks will be hidden from your view, allowing you to focus solely on the remaining tasks at hand. This simplified view can help declutter your workspace, making it easier to prioritize and get work done without any distractions. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to hide your completed tasks in Asana, keeping your projects clean and organized. This little trick can make a huge difference in managing daily tasks and ensuring nothing important gets overlooked. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your workflow with Asana.